Last day in paradise. Well, last full day anyway. I need to fly back a day early because I am a groomsman in one of my best friend's wedding. Now today we're going to go to a black sand beach. We really wanted to hit some on the southern end of the island, but of course we couldn't get to it due to the volcanic activity going on down there. Oh, can't go that way. They're starting to golf. I need to turn around. What time is it anyway? 8:12. Yeah, golfers are probably starting to hit the links at 8. So I'm just gonna try to take all this in as much as I can on my last full day. Enjoy it, live in the moment, and really just relish in the beauty of this island.
How's cutting that mango coming? Wow.
Dandy.
Have you done this before?
Nope.
A little purple pufferfish around for about 5 minutes. Lee's reading a book. What book are you reading? What? I can't hear because there's still a bunch of water in my ear. To my surprise, the snorkeling here in this lagoon that's connected in part of our hotel has been as good as anywhere else we've tried snorkeling on this island. It's connected to the ocean, so all the marine life can just come in like under that bridge over there. But I probably saw 5 different turtles while I was in this lagoon. At one point I was swimming and I hit something, kind of freaked out a bit, looked to my left, and there was a sea turtle swimming right next to me. Didn't even see him. What are you doing?
In the back of your video.
Still have water in my ear though from surfing last week. Starting to get pretty annoyed by it. before coming to Hawaii, I made these lists of things that we should do or I would like to see. They're like points of interest, and one of them was a giant Buddha statue. And so we've been over there all day on the other side of that cove, and right across from that was the Buddha statue. So we were getting ready to leave, and I said, look, we gotta go see the Buddha statue. It's right there across the way. So I dragged my whole family over here. Right, Alyssa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It's hot over here.
It's amazing. See, the sun came out when we came to see Buddha. The best thing that you can be in this life is in the moment.
You're out of the frame.
So apparently there is a mini river running through our backyard right now at our hotel. Oh my gosh, is that coming from the pool? Pool's right up there. Wow, this is not good. This is a whirlpool. At least it's able to drain right here into this lava rock. If not, it'd just be filling up in the backyard and then making its way into our homes.
Time and a place for everything, and right now is not the time and the place for you to film.
That flow of water.
Look at that, it doesn't even, isn't that wild? That's how porous this place is.
Wow. You think how like it just keeps going down because
it's done.
By porous, do you mean dry? Like
porous means
open
air pockets.
Yeah.
Pockets. It just bleeds right through it.
Pool's right there. Wow. It's coming from right here. Both sides it's going.
But as bad as the situation is in Micoola, all around the Big Island, areas completely unaffected by the eruption are struggling as tourists stay away. Despite not being anywhere near the volcano,
relatable. Was it really?
50% in the resort town of Kona.
That is, we were there today. We were there earlier today.
Struggling from her fury.
And tonight, a 4.5 earthquake near Kilauea's summit as fissures continue to spew lava towards two new subdivisions.
So we called maintenance people, and you'd think that they would have had someone shut this water off by now.